New at 6, embattled St. Louis Sheriff Alfred Montgomery found himself in another courtroom today.
He is suing the city, and the city is suing back. All of it's costing you more tax dollars. Investigative reporter David Amalotti was in court as the judge tries to sort through the latest legal battle.
This is the latest in a string of lawsuits, even a criminal case against Sheriff Alfred Montgomery. But today, for the first time, we're hearing from a key witness. Tammy Ross is the jail commissioner seen in this video being put into handcuffs by sheriff's deputies, reportedly at Montgomery's direction. She's the victim in a criminal case against him. But on Wednesday, she testified in court in a lawsuit filed by the sheriff over his own job duties. Ross says the sheriff's office is refusing to transport inmates for medical appointments, something the sheriff has said isn't in his job description. Along with Ross, former Sheriff Vernon Betts was also called to testify about the office's prior practices. He tells First Alert 4 Investigates there is no reason the sheriff can't handle medical transport and securing the court buildings.
That's stupidity, because you can determine who's going to be sick and how sick they're going to be, or what incident might take place at the Justice Center. You have to have a staff that's ready to go at a drop of a hat. And so that's what we always had, transportation crew, and we always had a crew at the hospital. And you have to budget for that number of people to take care of those items. No, that's ludicrous.
Sheriff Montgomery says he disagrees. After refusing our first attempt to get comment, he circled back around to say maybe his sheriff's office needs more control over the CJC.
CJC has guns, they have training, they have staff, and they have transport vehicles. They have transported federal inmates in the past. They continue to transport their inmates as they're sick. They'll continue to do the job that the city paid them to do.
And that responsibility does not fall on your office?
That responsibility does not fall upon our office.
Sheriff Montgomery tells me he needs the funding from the city for 30 more deputies to be able to provide both medical transport and secure the courts. Wednesday in court, both sides had to prove irreparable harm, but neither could do so in time for the judge to make their decision. It's unclear how soon Judge Moriarty is able to issue that final decision on these two lawsuits. In downtown, David Amalotti, First Alert 4 Investigates.
Our Investigates team has been reporting on all of the legal battles involving Sheriff Montgomery. You can find those stories on FirstAlert4.com.